The second way is using dynamic content for your content marketing and landing pages. Smart content delights customers. When you utilize data-driven content, you can influence a lead's buyer journey and speed up the sales cycle. Dynamic content creates experience that is customized specifically for the visitor or the reader at that moment. One of the most well-known examples of smart content is Amazon recommendation engine. So how can you use that? Well, first, to use a dynamic content, a website needs to store user information in database. This is because most of the content on these websites are stored in its database. The content is then used to create a personalized experience. For this, you need to use tools or themes. For example, for landing pages, great tools are Unbounce or Lead Pages with creating dynamic content options. For themes, I love to use Elementor, the WordPress page builder with some nice dynamic content options. I have put links in the description for that, so check it out and learn more about how these tools help you to build a dynamic content. Also, there are tons of tutorials on how to use dynamic content with these tools, so just Google it and you will find plenty of those.